Good day viewers, welcome to the channel in this series, Digital Skills. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can create a CV or a resume and a cover letter using AI. The AI software we are going to use is ChatGPT. And to do that, we are going to open our browser and then we'll go to ChatGPT using this link. And once it loads, we are going to give ChatGPT the following prompt. But before clicking on the generate button, we are going to edit. We are going to make some changes on the prompt. Look carefully at this prompt and edit the words which are inclusive. And then you simply hit on the enter button. And here we have our resume ready. After generating the CV or the resume, you then add this prompt for it to generate a cover letter for you. Now you have a cover letter and a resume ready. And lastly, we are going to click on the copy to copy all of them, and then you paste them onto Microsoft Word or any word processing software. After that, we do some basic editing, and that's all. We have our cover letter and our resume ready. You can simply change the term resume in the prompt to CV if you want to generate a CV. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more.